Welcome back to Craftastic. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. So my today's video is photo frame. So first of all, take a dress box. You have to cut it in how much size you want. In that, you have to attach a hook like you could see in the screen. Okay, you have to cut little part at the top, and then you have to attach the hook, and then you have to take a newspaper of that size, guys. Don't stick that newspaper in the box. Okay, so guys, now to make the liquid plaster of Paris. So first we took the powder plaster of Paris, then we have to add water. If you want, then you could also you can also add fevicol, guys. So now you have to mix it. So my father is doing this craft, so the credit goes to him, and so he is mixing that with his hand only, guys. So don't forget to like this video, share with friends and families, subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. And don't forget to comment below, guys, your challenges, means what you want me to make next. And also, if you have any suggestions about this video or any questions, okay guys, you can just ask me that in the comment section below. And after 1000 subscribers, I'll be doing my face reveal video, and after 1 lakh subscribers, I'll be doing QandA part 2 with face reveal. So if you haven't seen my QandA part 1, no problem, guys, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. And after 1 million subscribers, I'll be doing a video on the topic how I did my video. So guys, now in this paper we have to pour this liquid, okay guys, of plaster of Paris, and you can spread it all in all the places with the hand. So guys, now you have to attach a glass in this below portion. Then guys, you can write something like this after it gets dried. So you have to keep this for drying for 1 day. You can attach your photo, a money plant. You can also give in the below portion you can attach a hook, then you can tie a ball. It will be ready, guys, and looking like a beautiful photo frame. You can attach your photo also. I have also attached, but I hid that part by giving 2 squares red color. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Wait, have you seen these videos? No? Then check them out now.